I'm over here in Soho. Just finished painting the truck. Thanks to my friend Robert. It's his truck, showing love.
So what was the purpose of your creativity?
The purpose of my creativity is to spread love and to inspire others.
Fabulous, fabulous. And what's the reason you're using your material?
My material, my spray paint,
Yeah.
because I'm a graffiti artist. I like to make my thoughts come out quicker than any other way of applying my art.
Fabulous, fabulous.
Yes.
All right, my man.
Thanks for letting me paint your truck.
All the best.
It's gonna be an 11:34 video. I'm gonna throw that up right now. Thank you.
What is the title of the work?
Well, the title of this piece on the side, is the "See No Evil, Hear No Evil, Speak No Evil." Check it out. Show the people.